First of all, thank you because it's a great place to be in. And yesterday it was like we didn't expected the footfall. So first of all, thank you for organizing such a show. So I'm Aman Bachhawat. I'm one of the director of Jain Soap and Jain Lifecare Private Limited. We are into this business from more than 50 years now. So we started with soaps, then entered into cosmetics, then into pharmaceutical, then in nutraceuticals. So as of now, we are three factories and we cater to more than 500 to 550 plus clients across different ranges. We started with Delhi CMPL Delhi last year. Then we did it was a very good experience. Then we did Mumbai. It was a better experience than Delhi. And this year Delhi is something else only. So last when we compared it with last year Delhi, so we thought footfall would be more like average, but the yesterday's footfall was amazing, literally amazing, and all the team and staff was like, "Sir, अभी थोड़ा rest करना है, बहुत थक गए." And was like, "Nice, it's a good thing to win." So we loved it. Actually, we loved it. Startups, actually startups. That are the most easiest business to close. I'll just tell you with an example. So as a startup, so if you are just coming in at my booth and you like something, like this is a good thing, and they loved it. They were just searching for this product, and I have the product. So what will happen is we just will have meeting next week or next month somewhere and close the product. It's just a very simple process. So we love to work with startups. Category as in I have seen a good footfall of makeup. New startups are moving towards makeup and makeup also with specific lips category. So that is one category which we are looking forward to. So I won't predict, but what I can say is the expectation setting of the team of CMPL is very top notch. The expectation which they are setting and the footfall and the things they are delivering is at par. So I don't think there's anything more which a exhibitor like us wants, but they are always adding something more and more which is out of the box. So there's this is best thing which anyone can do. So the thing is, visibility is the most important thing in our industry, because you can see there are like n number of factories. You don't know how do they work, what are the qualities, what are the clientele they are working with. In the exhibition like this, we can show our expertise. We can show the products which we are already doing for many of our clients. So that's the best thing which we can show to someone. So yesterday a client just was visiting the expo and he just came. Last year I saw you at the expo but couldn't just visit the stall. This year he visited, and likely we might close the business with him. So if we were not in the last year's expo, he might not just come in this in the flow. So that's the thing, we get a good visibility and all the things, like as you can see, I am displaying my clientele, the country which we export. So that's built our credibility as well. Okay, we are into this business from blah 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 this years and everything. Fantabulous.